Waffle. Waffle. See? You play this one again. Huh? You play this one again. Waffle. Hey. Give it a one. Jonjon will get mad. It's not your toy. Kinuha niya yung toy na ni Jonjon. Come here. No. Then Jonjon will get mad again because you broke his toy. Why you get this all that time? Huh? I said to you, you have your own toy. See? No more eyes. Halakado. Halakado. We bought this in Fukuoka City. We can't buy here. Waffle. And you broke. Where's the eye? Huh? My goodness. I said to you, don't play Jonjon toy. Cause you have many toy. Then, you play again if Jonjon is not here. Wakata? Wakata? Dosuru. Kwarita. Me. Dosuru. If Jonjon come, Jonjon said, Mom, what happened to my toy? Why no more eyes? My goodness. Are you listening? Baby love. Kawawa man yun. But what happened? Wala lang ay. Patay tayo ni Jonjon. Waffle, are you listening? Huh? Listening to mommy? I said, when Jonjon is not here, you just stay downstairs. Why mom still cleaning? Cause you and Jonjon mess up. Ay! Nalabi, lablab na lang mami, be. Lablab na lang mami, be. Lablab na. Okay, I give you that one na. Cause no more eye. I'll just buy a meal for Kuya Jonjon na. Come na mami, be. Lablab na mami. Lablab. Lablab na mami, be. Na bye-bye. Good morning. Ay, lablab na ni mommy. Good morning. Thank you for watching.